How to get $200 HelloFresh promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in HelloFresh promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for HelloFresh. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check 70% off, 50% off, 80% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. I'm going to select this one, $150 off. So here is the code, you can copy it, then click on redeem at HelloFresh. You will be directed to the official website of HelloFresh. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you'll find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, also make sure to try out other offers, as in this page you're gonna find amazing offers and deals. Just scroll and check. Lastly, make sure to check out these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for HelloFresh. Well, this way you can easily get $200 HelloFresh promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.